Finally, the last exercise in our circuit is going to be a single leg bridge. So we're going to be on our back, and we can either perform this into a single leg bridge and hold here, and you can see I'm mainly trying to feel and fine tune this hip extension pattern here to where I'm able to raise to the sky, keep my whole foot flat on the ground, feel tripod foot, and glute activation. So we're going to do this in 3, 2, 1. Up, nice and high, into this march. We're trying to hold this high hip height as long as we can for 30 seconds. I can make this a bit easier by keeping my hands flat the whole time. It's going to give me a bit of a wider base to not have to stabilize onto. It's also going to allow me to kind of recruit some of my larger posterior chain muscles to keep me a little bit higher as well. You can also perform this exercise into repetitive movements. So repetitive single leg bridges. You can also, we're going to switch here. You can also perform this in a regressed version, this cook bridge. If you feel like holding this position is a little rough for the non-working hip flexor, you can perform the cook bridge, which is you holding the knee, still working into extension. And now my hand is doing a bit more of the work for my hip flexor. Again, trying to maximize that hip height. The difference from here to here is a few more degrees of hip extension to maximize that glute shortening. And then lower slow.